Los Cartman Productions. Today we're going to mount this lever. We got this reverse lever here. We also have a spring pops in there and this rubber cover that can go over the outside. So $50 on eBay. Was it too expensive? Probably.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
But we'll make it work. So I'm going to start with getting some of these wires cleaned up around it so we can mount it kind of under there. Let's get going. Took the really terrible mess in the shop and made it worse.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Plan as of right now is we're gonna put this plate on here like this, cut it where I've marked the line, and weld it on so that a reverse lever will be fully mounted. See, like some spoof of Bob the Builder? Box the Builder. Box the Builder. Yes, we can! It's time to do some fabricating, Cartman style. Fabricating, Cartman style. Cartman style. Cars and Cameras always says, you know, we're close to gas tanks, so there might be an explosion, but it'll be fine. go.
Next time on
Today,
Cartman
we're going to be
Productions.
taking this homemade go-kart hand truck trailer and rebuilding